So, my recording froze like 60 seconds in, so we'll start again, I guess. Spoiler alert, this is a really cute sweater that I got in Tokyo, so I'm excited to be wearing it. Also, I'm very sleepy. Anyway, here we go. So, 男の子はタブレットでビデオを見ています, which is the little boy is watching a video on a tablet, which I translated correctly the first time as well. 若い男の人は電車の窓の外を眺めています. The young man, I'm reading this one. The young man is looking outside the window of the train. I had a hard time with that one the first time too. Okay. この二人は親子かな?生徒と先生かな? So this one, I feel like I just am remembering it from reading it a couple of times. It's something about like how do they know each other or something. Are they a child and a father, or are they a student and a teacher? So 先生と先生かな? So that would be student and teacher. So then この二人は親子かな? That one I don't really understand about child and father. I don't know. Okay. 綾子の隣に女の人が一人座っています。綾子隣. Oh man, I was just doing this too. It's like a location word. I don't remember. So something about Ayako and the woman hitori de. The woman is always alone. Hitori de suwatteimasu. Next to Ayako, there is a woman sitting by herself. その女の人は青いのびすlooking up the katakana for that. What is that one? One bisu. One bisu. It's dress. O kiteimasu. Which is weird. That katakana do so fu. Funbusu. I don't know. Katakana blows my mind. そして携帯電話で誰かにK? No, that's not K. Meseji. Okay. Meseji o okuteimasu. Okay. So then on her cell phone, something about a message on her cell phone. She's wearing a blue dress and sending a message to someone on her cell phone. Okay. れ. Oh wait, and then it's that same. Oh wait, it's the dress word. So on a blue dress, を着てどこに行くんだろうどこに行くんだろう So that one is something about going in a blue dress. So where is she going in a blue dress? 仕事の面接かな? Something about work. Does she have a job interview? Okay. それとも友達の結婚式かな? Something about a friend. Or is she going to her friend's wedding? I feel like that was super painful, and I won't put you through any more of that today or myself. So maybe more tomorrow. Ciao!